This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information for the public in assigned areas. This is WEAS TV. We will be discontinuing programming. You should now turn to stations providing news and information for your local area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone lines shall be kept open for emergency use only. The emergency alert system has been activated.